Welcome dear students. Subject Mathematics, Standard 3rd and topic Handling Data. Okay. So student here the introduction part. At the end of this lesson you will able to know, collect things in a group, count and arrange the total number of given objects. Students, here the definition of handling data. Okay, let us read out. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information. Once again I repeat students, data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information. Student, here the introduction part for fruits. Now let us count here how many fruits were there. Student, you can see here which fruit? Yes, it's a oranges here. Okay, now let us count how many oranges were there in this basket. So okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 oranges in the basket. Now let us talk about other fruit here. What is this? Yes, it's an apple here. Okay. So how many apples were there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 apples in the basket. Okay. Now let us talk about the other fruits. Wow, what is this here? Yes, it's a mangoes here. Okay. Now let us count how many mangoes were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 mangoes in the basket. Okay. Now the other fruit here. Yes, what is this? Yes, it's a pineapple. So student, how many pineapples were there? 1 and 2. So there are 2 pineapple. Okay students. Now the next fruit here. Yes, it's a bananas here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are how many bananas here? 6 bananas. So students, it's just a information you like introduction. So how many there are fruits? Okay. So here you can see 4 oranges, then 7 apples, 8 mangoes, 2 pineapple and the 6 bananas. Student, yes, you can see here now the colorful marble here. Okay. So just count the marbles here. Okay. So student, let's count the marble of green color here. Okay. See you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, so we are having here 6 green colored marble. Now let us count about red color marble. Okay, see you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are having here 5 marble of red color. Now let us count about blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 marbles of blue color. Okay. Hence, students, we have 5 red color marbles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what about green color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here green color 6 marbles. And what about blue color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 we are having blue colored marble. Okay. Student, look at here. Look at the table below and answer the questions to you. Okay. See student, you can see here 2 rows. First one is name of the crop in the field like wheat, jawar, rice, peas, peanut and sugarcane. And the second row you can see number of farmers growing in it. Okay. Now look at the question here. About how many crops does the table give us some information? Yes, student. So how many crops? Yes, the first one is wheat, jawar, rice, peas, peanut and sugar cane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So student, the table gives us about 6 crops as information. Okay. The second question now. How many farmers grow peanuts? Student, look at here. It's the peanut here. And how many farmers grow peanuts? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So student, look at here. Yes, the 5 farmers grow peanuts. Okay. Now the third question here, student. Which crop is grown by the smallest number of farmers here? Student, smallest number. Yes, the sugar cane. Only 1 and 2 farmer. So, the smallest number of crop grown by the farmer is sugar cane. Okay. Now the next question here. Which crop is grown by the largest number of farmers? Which crop? Yes, you can see the jawar. So, the jawar is the crop grown by the largest number of farmers. See student, how many farmers were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 farmers. Okay. Now the next table here student. Next example for you. About the vegetable. Okay. About how many vegetables does the table give us some information? Okay. Yes. How many vegetables you can see student here? The tomato, capsicum, carrot, mushroom and the potatoes you can see here student. Yes. The table give us 5 types of vegetables as information. Okay, students. Now the next question here. How many carrots are there in the total? So student, let us count the carrot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So student, there are 6 carrots. Okay. The next question. Which vegetable is less in number? Which vegetable? Yes, the capsicum here. We are having only 3 capsicum here. 1, 2 and 3. See student here. Capsicum is less in number. Next question now. Which vegetable is large in number? Which vegetable? Yes, the potato you can see large in number. Let us count how many potatoes were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, potatoes are large in number. Okay. So, student, here the next example of flowers. Okay. Look at the first question here. About how many flowers does the table give us information? But how many flowers, students? So let us count the flowers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and the 19. So student, the table gave us about 19 flowers as information. Okay. Now the next question here. How many mogras are there in total? Yes, how many mogras are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 mogras. Third question now. Which flower is less in number? Okay. Which flower? Yes, the champa. Champa is the flower less in number. Fourth question now here. Which flower is large in number? Yes, of course, the roses here. So let us count the roses, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So roses are there in the large number. Okay. Here the other example, students. Yes, about the books sold. The days and the books sold. Okay. How many books were sold on Monday? Student, how many books were sold on Monday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So student, 6 books were sold on Monday. Okay. Now the next question. On which day maximum number of books were sold? On which day? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on what about the Saturday? The numbers are looking same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, on Saturday 7 and the maximum number of books sold on which day? Yes, of course on Wednesday. Okay. Maximum number of books were sold on Wednesday. 8. Okay. What is the total number of books sold on Friday? So let us count the Friday here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 4 books were sold on Friday. Now here, what is tally marks? Student, let us see the meaning of a tally marks here. Here you can see the table. In this table, the first column is color of cloths, names of children, number of children. Okay. And here the meaning of a tally marks. The vertical lines in the second column of the table are called tally marks. Students, you can see here the vertical lines in the second column. This is the first column, this is second, and this is the third column. Yes, so the vertical lines you can see here in the blue color, students. Okay, in the second column of this table, okay, of the table are called tally marks. So student, here the example of tally marks. What did you do to entertain yourself on Sunday evening? The answers that the children gave to these questions have been tabulated as shown below. So student, here you can see the table. Yes. The first column is of form of entertainment. The second one is tally marks. And the third one is number of children. Form of entertainment. Played games, watched TV, took a walk in a garden, read a storybook. So students, as we all know, when it's a Sunday, we do many things. Yes, yeah, while sitting at home, while going out of your house. Yes, doing so many things, watching TV. Yes, walk in a garden, reading your books, you're completing your homework, classwork, so many things. So the second column is called here tally marks. Student, the vertical line, it's called tally marks here. So how many children played games now? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of children played games, they are 7. Okay. Then watch TV on Sunday evening. 1, 2, 3. So 3 children, they watch TV. and took a walk in the garden. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 students, they took a walk in a garden. Now what about the last one here? Read a storybook. Yes, so let us count how many students they love to read the storybook when it is Sunday. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children. Wow. So the highest number of students, those are read a storybook on the Sunday evening. Okay. So student, here the other example for you now. About how many color does the table inform us? Students, how many colors? Yes, the red, green, yellow and the blue. So table inform us about 4 colors. Now the next question. How many children wore yellow colored clothes? Yes, student, you can see here. How many children wore yellow colored clothes? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 children wore yellow colored clothes. Okay. Now the next question. Which was the least colored worn by the children? Yes, you can see only 2 vertical lines in green color. Means green color children doesn't like or what? So green color was the least worn by the children. Okay. So student, here the other example for you about sweet dish. Wow, all time favorite of all of us. Name of the sweet dish here? Jalebi, laddu, gulab jamun and other sweet dish. Okay. So let us see the question based upon this sweet dish. Which is the most popular dish among the children here? You can see the vertical line most in the gulab jamun only. So let us count how many children like gulab jamun. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the 11. So student, 11 children love to eat gulab jamun. See here. The gulab jamun is the most popular dish among the children. Okay. Now the next question here. What is the number of children who like laddus more than jalebis? Who like laddus more than jalebi? Let us see here. Yes. 3 children like laddus more than jalebis. 7 were those are like laddus and 4 were jalebis. So we will minus 7 minus 4 we will do. So 3 are remaining. Okay, 7 minus 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So 3 children like laddus more than jalebis. Okay. Here the other example of telemark students now. Let us see the first question. About how many children does the table inform our students? See now the marks here, the tally marks here, the number of children. So let us count the number of children here. Yes, 2, 4, 2, 2 means 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So total 10 students here. Okay. 10 children means. Okay. The table inform us about 10 children as information. Okay students. Now the next question here. How many children got 7 marks? See student here. Yes, you can see here only 2 children they got 7 marks. Okay. 2 children got 7 marks. Next question. How many children got less than 10 marks? How many children? So what we will do? We will count that. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Yes. So 8 children got less than 10 marks. Okay. So student, here now, let us summarize what we have done. Okay. Data means total number of things present in a collection. In the next one, data handling means arrangement of the data. Then the third one here, counting and writing the total number of things from the group of things. Okay. So student, what is this here? Yes, now we will go to activity. Okay, means your activity time now. Okay. Student, here the activity 1. Collect information about children's favorite fruit and present it in a table. Okay, you can see the fruits like mango, chiku, apple, pomegranate. Okay, so see your students. Which fruit do the children like most? Which fruit? Yes, all-time favorite. But we got that fruit only in a summer season. That is a mango. Yes. So, children like mango the most. Then the second question here. How many children like an apple? How many children like apple? 8 children. Yes, 8 children like apple. Now here the activity 2. Okay. Which sweet was the most popular here? Which one? Jelly bean, jelly babies, eggs, shrimps, all sorts means all, and Smarties. Which sweet? Yes, you can see the more number, the jelly babies. So, jelly babies was the most popular sweet. Okay. Now the next question here, student. Which sweet did 3 people choose? Which sweet? See, shrimps was the sweet chosen by 3 people. See, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So, shrimps was the sweet chosen by 3 people. The next question. How many people like eggs? See your eggs. 1, 2. So, 2 people like eggs. Okay. Now, the next question. Which sweets were more popular than jelly beans? Which sweets? Yes, Smarties. Jelly babies, Smarties, and are more popular than jelly beans. Okay. Here the activity 3 now, students. Here, how many children gave pencils as gift? See student here. Here the pencils, pens and book, and we are talking about gifts. Okay. How many children gave pencils as gift? Yes, 17 children. Okay. So 17 children gave pencils as gift. Next question. How many children gave pens and books? How many children gave pens and books? 4 and 9. Yes. So total 13 children gave pens and books. Okay. Next question. What is the total number of gifts here? Yes. The total number of gifts are 13. Okay. So student, what is this here? Yes, now the homework time. Here, first homework for your student. How many fruits do you see in each row? Student, you with the help of fruits in a grandma's basket, you have to see here how many fruits are there in each row. Oranges, strawberries, apples and pears. Okay. The second question. Are there more apples or pears? Third question, which fruit adds to 8? And the fourth one, what is the total number of fruits in the basket? So student, here the other homework for you. Student, first what you will do? Yes, of course, first you will draw like this table. Okay, then you have to count. Here you will draw apple, grapes, oranges, pears and strawberry. Then you have to count this. For example, apple now. So count how many apples were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will mark here 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Then the grapes, like that, oranges, pears and strawberries. Okay. Then your table will complete. Then the question will help you for this answer. Okay. So first question, which fruit has the greatest number? Second, how many apples and pears are there altogether? Third one, which two fruits have the same number? Fourth one, how many more oranges are there than pears? Then the fifth one, which is the fruit that is least in number? Okay. And here the last homework for your student. This is a tally marks for you. Okay, student. You have to draw like this table. Yes. And the second one you will draw here. And the tally marks will come. Okay. How many children come to school? See. How many children come to school by car? You have to count. Yes. Here the numbers were given. Car. So only two children come to school. Abha and Swara. Tally marks again I am telling you student. You have to draw the vertical line. Okay. Second row that will come. Second column. How many children come by bus and rickshaw all together? You have to count the children those who come by bus and rickshaw. Then how many children walk to school? Means they come by walking to school. Okay. So student, I hope everyone had enjoyed the lesson and understood also. Thank you.